it's CraftyRia. Welcome to another video. Today we will be working on day 21 of this Advent calendar. It is by Hogokids. It is the building brick similar to Lego, and it is this scene from a movie. So we did the house, we did all of these pieces, and we did the car. So what's next? I think we're going to do that. Do you know what this is? Quick, put it in the comments below. Let me know who that belongs to. All right, so day 21, we have 4 days left. It is a 24-day Advent calendar, and it has been fun so far. This is the car that we finished with the Christmas tree on top. It was quite fun. Let's see what's in day 21. Every time I pick up that big box, it is getting lighter and lighter. So this is not very heavy. I wonder what's in here today. It's not as heavy as some of the other boxes. It's jammed full though. We have instructions and we have a box of bricks. Get my little bowl. Maybe today will be fast. We will see. There have been other days where I thought would be fast, and they weren't. So you never know. All right, so we have these pieces here. I'm just going to move some of these really big ones over. I have a feeling we're going to be using some stickers. We have these stickers left over, and we have some pieces that look like the stickers will fit. We will find out. Day 21. Let's do it. We are on day 21, and piece number or instruction number, step number, that's it, 228. So let's see what we need. We need 2 of these smooth pieces. I think most of my time is spent finding the pieces. I'll come back to it. We need one 1x8 in gray, one 1x8 in yellow, one 2x8 in yellow, one 4x6 in yellow, and one 6x8 in gray. And I still need one more of these. Let's put some of these larger ones over here. There it is. It was hiding at the very bottom. Okay. So this goes here. This piece goes on the left side. This piece goes here. This piece goes here. Okay, this goes here, this goes here, and this one here goes underneath. Make sure they're seated well. There. Now we have 229. We need two, what I will call the wheel holders. One 2x4 and one 4x8 in yellow. We take this 2x4 and these two, this goes here. One of the wheel holders goes there. The other one go here. And the axle will fit in there. And then step number 230, we take these other two and a 4x8. And these go under here, leaving one row open like that. So we have those two pieces. Step number 231. We need a 4x8 in yellow. And let's see, you're going to take this piece and you're going to take all of these pieces. I'm going to put this here according to that. This piece goes let me see which hole lines up where. One, two, three, four, five, six. On the sixth one, one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, the sixth one goes there. And then this one meets it over here. Yep. There. So that is how that goes together. And there's the underside. All right, now we need some more pieces. We need one 1x8 in gray, one 1x8 in yellow, and a 4x8 in yellow. And then you come down here to see, you have to pre-assemble these two little pieces. Oh, you need two 4x8s. Okay. And these two go on top of these other ones. And this piece goes under this side in the front, centered, front and center. Just make sure everything is pushed down really good. All right, then we need some more little pieces here. We need step number 233, two little guys. 2 2x4s, and one 1x8 in gray. And let's put this together. We take our gray piece, we put that on like that, this guy, and then this goes on there. And these here, oh, it goes on the back. I don't know if it's the back or the front. On this side, it goes on like that. All right, then we're going to need those 4 pieces. 4 of these little 1-holers with just the one in the middle. Converters, I don't know. A 2-to-1 converter, there we go. That's a lot of words though. We need 3 of these sideways boxes and 2 2x4s that are double tall. And we bring this back. And okay, it is in this shape. These 4 guys go on the wheels. I should say this direction, that's what I meant. So we have our wheel wells. These 3 guys go on here, and there is a little gap underneath. And I can tell it faces this way because you've got this extra piece there. And back here, there is not an extra piece. So that is there. These 4 little guys go here. All right, let me put... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including those. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yep. And the 4th one is here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here and here. And it leaves 1 piece there. Okay, I think that is that. And then step number 235, we're gonna need 4 of these little guys. 1, probably everything in here. 4 of those for the double tall. 3 more of these. And 1 of those. So yep, that is everything. Now we need to turn it this way. And we need to pre-assemble that and that. And when these are a little bit crooked, I just smash them sideways on the table like that. And then pre-assemble these two. And again, I smash them sideways just to make sure they line up nice and flat. All right, we're going to start here. We're going to put these 3 here. 1, 2, 3. And then these 2 little guys go here and here. These were the double stacked ones. And these guys go here and here. And this goes here. All right. That is the end of day number 21. That was fast and easy. All right, there we go. That's what we have. That is the top and the side. I don't know which is the front or the back yet. That's what the bottom looks like. Make sure you have these holes going that way you can see through them. Okay, there we go. That concludes day number 21. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. And tune in for the next video where we finish this. We have 3 more left. Day 22, 23, and 24. Yay, we're almost done. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do click on that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. And check out the playlist where you can see all of the videos so far. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Go get crafting. Bye-bye. CraftyRia.